hold on to it for some reason. Hello, Gmar. Do a little bit of posing for you guys. Hola. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Lopa. If you guys want to send a galaxy, I can do a 360. Thank you guys so much for sharing. The top 3 gifters will receive a present after the live is over. And I will also be following you. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Juan. Thanks for being here. Thank you. You like presents? Okay, well, you'll definitely like my present, I can tell you that much. Thank you, Ridwan. And thank you guys so much for following. Also, my name is Alexis. Nice to have you here. You want the present? Well, you can probably get it. It'll be the top 3 gifters that receive the present directly after the live. And I will also follow you. Thank you. Thank you, Daniel. You guys think I should go jump in the water really quick? If you look up here, I have that. You could also look on my TikTok bio. Thank you, Kling. Sorry, I hope that I got that right. Hello, Michael. Thank you, Edward. Hello, George. Saludos. Thank you, Frank. And thank you guys so much for the cards. Thank you. Thank you, Daniel. Hola, Jano. Brazilian? Very nice. Nice to have you here. I am in Hawaii right now, Honolulu. I am single. My name is Alexis. Thank you, Daniel. The top 3 gifters will be receiving a present after the live, and I will also be following. If you guys would like a 360, then you could send a galaxy, and then you'll also be in the running for the top 3 gifter. Here in Honolulu. And what are you guys up to? Happy Friday. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sinang. Thank you, Antonio. Holding something. Thank you. Oh, good. I'm so glad that you like it. Yes, it's Friday. Happy Friday to you guys. Good morning to you, Taj. If you guys would like a 360, you can send a galaxy. Thank you, Daniel and Euster 578. My name is Alexis. Nice to have you here. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you so much. I'm gonna do a little 360 for you so you can see my outfit. Thank you. Top 3 gifters will receive a present from me after the live is over. I am single, Branson. Thank you guys. Here in Honolulu at the beach currently. I am in Hawaii right now. My name is Alexis. I will be sending the top 3 gifters a present after the live. If you guys would like a 360, you could send a galaxy. Hello to you, Larry. How are you doing? Muchas gracias, Joselito. Thank you, Greg. Hi, Mr. Boy. Timothy, I can be clumsy. If you would like to send a galaxy, I can definitely be clumsy. Thank you so much, Jimmy Powers. What a cool name. Thank you, Manny. Top 3 gifters will receive a present after the live, and I will also be following. It's nighttime in Mexico. I guess it's like close to nighttime over here. Thank you guys for sharing. Thank you, Feelings. Thank you, guys. Get a little wet in here. It feels so nice in here right now. Hello to you, IC. And thank you guys. Thank you. I'm gonna be so tan when I'm on my next live. Hi, Poppy. I'm 29. I'm not in Cancun. I'm currently in Honolulu, Hawaii. My name is Alexis. I will be sending the top 3 gifters a present after the live, and also following. Just hanging out on the beach. I told my regular followers that watch my lives that I would be taking them on the beach with me, so I am fulfilling that promise. So here I am, and thank you to all the other people that are jumping on here. It's been such a pretty, beautiful trip. It really does feel like paradise out here, for sure. There's a shark nearby. Uh-oh. And what is a 460? Thank you, Basim and Go. Thank you. Definitely feels like heaven right now. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you so much. So sweet.